This is going to be a great day. You make it great with every small action you take. Continue watching your day play out as if it is the perfect day. Everything goes right for you. Opportunities for growth are presented, and you take them on with excitement. You are an amazing individual. People enjoy your company and love it when you share your ideas. Breathe, relax, fully immersed in your morning meditation. Very good. Now that you have imagined your day fully playing out to its fullest potential, allow this vision of the day ahead to completely fade. Allow for your mind to wander to whatever it wants. Feel the beauty of this moment. This time you have dedicated to yourself. Right now is for you. Now repeat the following affirmations, either out loud or to yourself silently. I am amazing. I am kind to everyone and everything. I have the ability to achieve great things. Each day is a new start to pursue my dreams and desires. I am confident in all I do. I live my life to the fullest potential. Breathe in deeply one last time. As you breathe out, slowly open your eyes. Fully ready to seize the day with joy. Namaste.